सभी को नमस्कार। मेरा नाम प्रियंका अश्वंत रेड्डी है। बेसिकली मैं इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट हूँ। सो व्हाई आई हैव स्टार्टेड दिस बिजनेस इज जस्ट द रीजन इज जस्ट टू हैव अ पॉकेट मनी। थोड़ा पॉकेट मनी के लिए मैं बिजनेस में आई थी जब मैं सिंगल थी। जब मैं स्टूडेंट थी ना, इस बिजनेस में आई थी। और धीरे धीरे इस बिजनेस में डीप जाने के बाद, लाइक ब्रिट वर्ल्ड वाइड सिस्टम से कनेक्ट होने के बाद बहुत अच्छा लगा और ये एनवायरनमेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा। आई मीन आई हैव सीन एवरीवन एज अ फैमिली, wife and husband, brother and sister, mother and son. So this made me excited. Like I wanted a family environment wherever I go, at least even in my work field. So that attracted me. And later on मैं सिंगल बिल करती थी। मैं जब मैं सिंगल थी मेरा एक ही ड्रीम था इस बिजनेस में। मैं तो थोड़ा डीप गई। जो मेरा पार्टनर आने वाला है वो एटलीस्ट इस बिजनेस में मुझे थोड़ा सपोर्ट करे। लाइक यस यू कैन डू यू कैन डू इट।
शी वांटेड अ सपोर्ट बट लेकिन सफर था मैंने जब
I wanted the person who is not going to stop me. At least that's the biggest support for me. So by God's grace मैंने थोड़ा मांगा तो बहुत बड़ा मिल गया मेरे। that's the power of dream. आपको ड्रीम की जरूरत बहुत है जिंदगी में आगे जाने के लिए। रुकने के लिए और पीछे जाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आगे जाने के लिए एक ड्रीम चाहिए। क्या है वो ड्रीम? आगे जाना है, मुझे जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है, वो ही बड़ा ड्रीम रहना है। वॉट एवर इट मे बी। आपके जिंदगी में आगे जाने के मतलब बहुत सारे होंगे। हमारे जिंदगी में पहले जब हम स्टूडेंट्स थे, मेरा पर्सनल ड्रीम्स लाइक व्हेन हम मूवीज देखते हैं ना, जब भी मूवीज देखते हैं बहुत हीरो का लाइफस्टाइल, हीरोइन का लाइफस्टाइल देखे तो हमें भी ऐसा लाइफस्टाइल मिले तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ना, ऐसा फीलिंग्स आते थे। सो आई टू वांटेड अ वेरी गुड लाइफस्टाइल। So that's how I started. And later on, after coming into the opportunity and getting the education, then the dreams got a little bigger. They came little bigger, like people के बारे में सोचना और people को बिजनेस को यूज करके people के लाइफ को बेटर करना, ऐसा ड्रीम्स बिल्ड होने लगे। Like in we are getting improved when we entered this business, after entering the business. The most beautiful thing was every day बहुत exciting था। Every day. Why? Because we are meeting very new people every day. So that's the most I know many people are working here, yes or no? आपके some jobs or some businesses whatever, but उसमें आपको routine लगेगा, yes or no? Most of my friends used to say whatever the pay they are getting, it may be 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever the pay they are getting, they are not much interested. They are getting very bored. Why? Because the same life we are leading every day. We have to go every day to the same office. We have to sit in the same cabin. We have to see all the same faces. That's making them feel very bored. So they used to ask me, आप सारे दिन घूमते रहते हो, आपको बोर नहीं आएगा? बोले तो नहीं क्यों बोर आएगा। वाइफ एंड हस्बैंड को शादी के पहले दिन में हनीमून जाने के लिए बोलते हैं ना, हमें ना हर दिन हनीमून हो गया। हर दिन हम दोनों मिलके बाहर जाते थे, नए लोगों से मिलते थे, बहुत अच्छा लगता था मुझे। That's why we didn't go for any honeymoon. Why? Because every day was a honeymoon. And as a lady, I have many dreams. I wanted the recognition. Why? Because Ashwant was a sapphire already when we got married. So that was a very blessed thing for me and also a challenging thing for me. Many people used to say, you are very lucky, you are very lucky, you are very lucky. Yes, I am lucky, but वो lucky का word ना सुन के बहुत तंग आ गई मैं। ये कहाँ से आ गई ये luck word? मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था कुछ समय, like am I not worthy of Ashwant? I used to feel like that. So that luck word made me dream of our emerald ship. I wanted our emerald ship. Of course, we wanted. I after getting married, कुछ महीने के बाद मैंने अश्वंत से बोला, अश्वंत, whatever it may be, we are going emerald this year, the very first year of our marriage. So that's the very emotional dream of ours. And by God's grace and with our applying coaches support and their encouragement, we went emerald in our very first year. That's the biggest achievement in my life. First achievement, not the biggest one. That's the one
So
of the
far.
biggest. Yeah, there is a lot more to achieve. And I know there are many experienced people here, and there are some new people also here. So what's in my life, I wanted to be a independent woman, and this platform gave me that opportunity. And I wanted to be independent, but I wanted to be together even.
Togetherly independent.
Yeah. So and that means मेरा पार्टनरशिप, मेरा हस्बैंड जो भी काम कर रहा है, जो भी कमा रहे, उसमें मेरा पार्टनरशिप भी होना चाहिए equally. So that's this platform gave me that stage. And I know there are many ladies here. Yeah, Alka ji, and yeah, many more ladies. I know Alka ji. I have met her in Ahmedabad personally. So very nice of meeting everyone.
And
not only her.
And many retired people are here.
Yeah.
So they worked very hard in their life and they got retired. So it's not easy to work and going all the way and coming back. So we really, this is for you guys. So you have worked very, very hard. So because retirement and freedom is not free, and it is not been done so easily.
Yes. Yeah, after getting married, Ashwant was talking about freedom, right? Ashwant once said one thing: becoming freedom is nothing but taking responsibility. He said that this sentence was little bit confusing for me at the beginning. What is this taking responsibility? How can it become a freedom? So मुझे ये emerald ship वो पिन लगाना, वो बोनस आना, वो नहीं था अचीवमेंट. द प्रोसेस as in diamond plaque, there is also a thing. It's not what you get from it or
through it.
Yeah, it's what you become through it. Yes or no? I have become in that process. So that's the most biggest thing. And सभी को जिंदगी में कोई भी चैलेंज आए, कोई भी फील्ड में कोई भी चैलेंज आए, we have to go through that. Why? Because when we go through that, we will become very bigger personality. That challenge helps us to grow more.
Yes.
So I know when Priyanka was student, what she was and what she is right now and what she is going to be in future. I can sense all those things and I can imagine all those things. And dream करने के लिए झिझक ना बोलते हैं ना, you need not do that. Just dream very big. क्या बोलते हैं, ड्रीम करने के लिए कोई भी पैसा नहीं मांगते. So no,
it is free to dream.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yes, to achieve that we have to pay the price definitely. But to dream, there is no price. So we can dream very big. And the most important thing is write all your dreams. Yeah. We have written all our dreams and we got all the pictures of the dreams and we have pasted in our home, all over the home, wherever we look at and wherever we walk through. So those dreams,
you can paste it in your bathroom also.
Yes.
If you are passionate.
Even I paste all of them in my kitchen also, where I cook the recipes, all those things. And हमारे घर में Ashwant and Priyanka always, they used to be very loving and caring. No, we will fight, we will argue definitely. But after arguing, in between arguing or in the process of becoming the argument very big, we used to look at our dreams. No, we have to fight for our dreams, not fight with each other.
Yes.
That
Fighting
used
for a dream is very important than fighting with each other. Na?
yeah, that used to remind us. Those dreams used to remind us. Then that those dreams and that beautiful lifestyle used to calm down us. Our dreams are helping our dream pictures are helping us a lot in improving ourselves and calming ourselves and looking forward, not to stop there. All these things are helping it, and having a dream is very important, and having faith is very, very, very important. So faith is nothing but which what you are not able to see today, you have to believe. That's called faith. Yes or no? So I am a very big what
Believer in faith.
yeah. I used to have very blind faith. Whatever we wanted in life, Ashwin used to ask, how we are going to do that? No, we are going to do that.
That's it.
That's it. And God is going to help us. Yes or no?
So,
I know every lady is like that.
yeah,
They
ladies,
will have a blind
ladies don't have logics. They don't. They have only magics.
They believe in
they
magic.
believe in magic. So that's the reason. If you have a lady beside you, you are a gifted guy here.
Yes, we are not at all afraid of dreaming very big. And I used to say in my team, we don't even what do we call? We don't even go back of buying a sari, which is of a huge cost. Also, we will buy that anyhow, and we will hide it in our almara. Yes or no?
Ladies चुप के सारी भी खरीद करते हैं ना अभी जितना बड़ा भी. So I think she has done it already. So that's the reason she's saying it.
Definitely,
Most of the ladies might have done it already.
Yeah, I saw my mother doing that. I did that. Many of our ladies are doing that. We will do that. It's our right to have many big things.
Yes.
And having a dream and having faith in that is very important. We have many dreams. We want a lifestyle products, lifestyle house, all those things. But we also want our team to grow very big. We want. I especially want my ladies team to be independent and to be very happy, not thinking of financial things. हम लेडीज लोग ज्यादा सोचते हैं ना financially. Yes or no? So those financial things stop all the ladies. How we are going to do that? How we are going to do that? I want to make all our team financially free using this business opportunity.
Yes.
So I know there are many big dreamers. So we are definitely going to do all the things. Just believe in yourself. Have faith in God. Have faith in your dreams. Definitely, all of them are going to come true very soon.
Yes.
And we also want to achieve very big, and we also want every one of your blessings. And I hope all of you will bless us. Thank you so much for this.
And one of the lady is inviting her, so she has to go back to stage. So that stage is Vedya. She's my baby girl. She is inviting with her voice.
Yeah.
So she's shouting. You also can shout for Priya now. So this is my lady. So first lady of America, like Barack Obama के लिए Michelle Obama था. So अनिल अंबानी के लिए नीता और कुछ अंबानी थे. So हर एक सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत रहते हैं, है ना? So in our business definitely wife ही है. So बाहर हम बात नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन ये business में wife and husband is the first team you build is your home team. It is not easy. So to build a home team, because you know बाहर खुद बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीज कह सकते हैं, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बात भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन घर में जीत पाना उतना आसान नहीं है. ये हर एक मैरिड मैन को, मैरिड वुमेन को, ये I think we are just newly, I think 3 years old, there are 30-40 year old experiences भी है मैरिड लाइफ का. So इसके बारे में मैं ज्यादा नहीं बात करूंगा, लेकिन as Priya told, dream is very important. That is where you got to start. So the journey starts from where you want. So it can be a small dream, मतलब आपकी छोटी सी भी, no problem, आपका dream. My dream was to initial छोटी dreams. I wanted to put फुल टैंक इन माई बाइक, मतलब फुल टैंक करने का भी एक छोटा सा ड्रीम था। मेरा बाइक का ईएमआई मैं पे करने का एक ड्रीम था। मेरे मदर को एक 10,000 रुपीज पॉकेट मनी देने का एक छोटा सा ड्रीम था। ये छोटे छोटे ड्रीम्स थे मुझे ये बिजनेस में शुरू आने का, एक जर्नी शुरू करने का इम्पैक्ट किया। तो उसके बारे में ये 50,000 क्रिएट करने का, ये 50,000 क्यों क्रिएट किया मालूम मैंने, मतलब ये बिजनेस में सिल्वर क्यों गया मालूम? So the biggest reason was my criticizers, what you call critics, not criticizers. So those were critics. Like every सब लोग हमको पीछे खींचने वाले रहते ना, हमारा नेगेटिव एसोसिएशन, फ्रेंड्स, हुएवर। सो मेरा फ्रेंड्स ही मेरा बड़ा रीजन हुआ ये बिजनेस में सिल्वर जाने का। उन लोग हंसी मजाक करती थी कॉलेज में, मतलब you know I used to be the center of their jokes. So this Amway guy came, देखो Amway guy came, they used to tease me in my college. So I came home and I wrote a dream. एक सपना लिखा था उसी दिन, shut up my friend's mouth by becoming silver, getting 50,000 rupees every month. That was my first dream, which it was like, you know, it was like a fuel beneath the rocket. रॉकेट के नीचे क्या होता है, ये आग लगा हुआ होता है ना, जितने ज्यादा फायर है उतना ऊपर चले जाते। सो हमारा पीछे भी बहुत सारे आग लगाने वाला रहते, अब वहां पे ही नहीं रुकना है, जल जाते अगर वहां ही रहते तो। अब जल्दी आगे जाना है, वो आग यूज करके वो आगे लेने की आपको मदद करेंगे उन लोग। इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपका क्रिटिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपका नेगेटिव एसोसिएशन इंपॉर्टेंट, उसको उन लोगों को दिखाने के लिए करना है। So silver and thereon went the journey just like that. So इसीलिए आपको भी एक अच्छा सा ड्रीम लिखना वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। This is where you got to start.